in Chicago. Across the Midwest, this is depressing. It looks like the main area of heavy snow is destined for us. Here's our forecast now for tonight. Skies across the area will continue mostly cloudy. Some passing flurries possible with a high between, say, 16 and 21. Then for tomorrow, periods of snow. That's the first burst of snow we'll get, with a high temperature 24 to 28 degrees and a wind off the lake. Lake effect snow showers a possibility Monday evening, 18 to 23 degree temperatures. And then Tuesday, here we go, blizzard watch, heavy snow by evening, high temperature 24 to 28 degrees, and look at those winds out of the east.